game. It's a rich thing.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Toby Gilgy, your favorite video player. Welcome to another video. So, man, today we doing a different video. Lately, everyone been asking me, bro, how do you make your thumbnails off your phone? Like, how do you do it? So right now, I'm gonna just show y'all how to make this, and this. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make some thumbnails today. All for free apps, free everything. So I'm gonna show y'all actually how to download the apps and stuff like that. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so the first app you're gonna need in this process is Pixar. So if you just go to your app store, type in Pixar, and it'll probably pop up a picture on the screen so y'all know. But first app is Pixar, and then the second app is Fonto. So you get Pixar and Fonto, and just download them, bro. And if you want Android, I think it's different ways you could download it. So just go on YouTube, look up how to download it, and you should find something. Alright, you guys, the first things first, I actually go in Cod Mobile and take a screenshot of like a thumbnail or something. But today we already have that, so we just skip past that process. Go straight into Pixar, load the app up, couple seconds, then press the plus button in the middle. Now, as you can see, you have all these. Then what you do is you go to the picture without the background. So something like, let me see if I got, like something like this. Do this. Go to effects, and go to, go to vibrant. As you can see, it changes the color of the sky, makes it even more blue. Go to vibrant. And if you want, you could do blur, and then just take the blur off the sniper. But today I'm gonna show you how to do everything, so I'm gonna just take it off the sniper. Like, go like this, take it off, and fix it how you want it, however you want it. Do it around, and then press complete. And then what else you do after that is, well, let me fix it real quick. Boom. And then what you do is you go to stickers or whatever. Hold on, let me turn it sideways. Hold on. Okay. Well, can't turn sideways, that stuff. Then what you do is you go to stickers. The part I recommend is Fortnite, bro. Like, this has the most out of everything. This probably has the most like useful ones. So as you can see, you have all these stuff here. You can use this today. All you gotta do is make it wider, put it there, boom, and then keep it there, right? And then what you do is, if you have a picture of like something like this, if you have a picture like something like this, no, hold on, I can find something then. You'll find something. If you have a picture or something, yeah, something like this. You could, let me see, you could cut out the background like that. You could press person and cut out that, and it's have this here. You could put it there. You could put it like, you could do this with anything, like any character. You could do it with yourself. Just put that there or whatever, wherever you want it. You can even put it behind hold on, you can't do it right there. You could even put it behind the other thing like this. So, but it's like harder to move, but you still could do it. You put it behind by moving it down and fix it back. And then you could like do stuff like go back to stickers. You could put like 30 kills, stuff like this, put it in the corner. you could go back and put something like this, like some like that. Hold on, that don't look good. Wait. Hold on, y'all.
It's not a game, it's a rich
Trying to get him right real quick. Trying to get him right. You can put the thing down right there. You can also, I lie, you can't. Hold on, wait. You could also like put stuff like flames. You put this thing right here around characters and stuff like that. You can put it around the person. But this is how I made my thumbnails, y'all. Like, I just come inside here, turn my creative brain on. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how the video is, I just do this. And for the half thumbnail, that's what I do. I put this in the middle, and then I edit. Like, y'all see how I added photos? I put this in the middle, and I put photos on the two sides. So that's how I do it. Zion, can you be quiet, please? So that's how I do it. But next, all you have to do is go, save, boom. You save it, go to Fonto. Zion, be quiet, please. Go to Fonto. Go to photo albums, photos. Go to photos, then you pop on the picture you want. I normally go with Chrome. But today we just could go normal. You could press anything, like how to. And I'm gonna show you all my fonts too. So my fonts right now is Another Danger. That's like my actual fonts that I use. I use Bloom, I use Blowbrush, I use Burbank, I use I only showing all the ones I use. I use Moonget, I use Payback, P-Sans, Road Rage, Slant, and Squirk. That's the only ones I use. All these other ones, just stuff I just downloaded there. But I'm gonna just say how. I'm gonna change the font real quick. Burbank, how. And make sure y'all do it in uppercase letters. How to.
Just like the sound of it.
I guess just put how to make thumbnails. Like that. How to make sure you have it in capital. Thumbnails. Alright, bet. And then what you do is you go to style. I have my preset styles right here, so make sure y'all make some styles for y'all taste or whatever, however y'all want it. But I already have some styles here made, so I just have to. All I gotta do is go here, and then just click on whatever I want. So it's that easy, bro. And then if you wanna go to make your own, just do whatever. Get all the colors. I normally go with the 12 for the width of the stroke, and then I go with 1, 2, 3, 4. I go with the 5th one for that, and then just move them around. Make sure you get them in the right place. Like this. Wait, it's not gonna be perfect. I normally take like 30 minutes to do this, so just bear with me. Come on. Alright, so hold on. Gotta move this down and get it away. But that's it, y'all. Hopefully y'all learned something today. That's all you gotta do is go here and now just save image, and boom, you're done. But anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, share, all that, man. It's been boy Tropic LJ. I'm out. Peace. Alright, and also, guys, I'm gonna come behind it as if you made it this far into the video, just want to say that this is a example, not actual, like not actually how they make my thumbnails. So if you actually think I make my thumbnails like this, bro, nah, bro. It's just an example. You could always put your creativity in it. Like just showing you all the apps I use and how you could do certain stuff. That's the only thing I'm trying to put out. So don't take this as like, or the thumbnail look bad. Just look at it as you know how to do certain stuff now. So you just go inside there and be creative and then get it right. But anyway, I'm out.